high, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing. So as you guys know, I get a monthly subscription and it is my Boxycharm box, and you pay $21 a month and you receive normally about 5 full-size items, and they're not like the sample sizes or deluxe sizes that you get like at Ipsy and stuff. These ones are full-size products, and a lot of them are name brand products. So if you guys want to see this video, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so this is the Boxycharm box that we get every month. Comes in this little Boxycharm box, and then each month it comes with a little card. And in this little card we have, it tells you like the theme of the month, and the theme of the month is Goal Digger. And then it just kind of shows you, and it's like a little drop down thing, and it tells you about each product and then tells you the price. But we're not gonna look at that yet. We're gonna look and see what we got in the box. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing I'm seeing in the box is these Luxie brushes. They're premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, and they come in this nice little package. Let's open these up. Oh, they're even sealed. I'm not playing around. You guys hear any banging? My husband is upstairs doing our tiling. He's actually like retiling our floors. We're finally getting that done. So if you hear any banging noises, sorry about it. It must get done. So these are the brushes right here. They are really cute actually. They're like this gold glittery handle, and there are 4 of them. Looks like we have, what does it say? Let's read the card. So for the brushes, they are a Luxie Brush Luminous Eye set. Add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. So we have a mini round brush for smudging or smoking out the lower lash line. We have a mini tapered, lets you effortlessly blend your crease color. The Luxie mini flat angle brush lets you blend out harsh lines and pack on cream products to your lid. And the Luxie 131 mini angled can add a pop of color to your brow bone or precisely place color into your crease. So that is what these little brushes are for, and the MSRP is $21. We've actually gotten quite a few Luxie brushes before, and we're going to use these in the try on portion. Moving on. Next I am seeing is lashes. So these are the Lashaholic luxury lashes. The case, let's take a minute for this case. It is super cute. I like when they send you cases because I have like a million lashes just kind of everywhere over here on my vanity. And so it's nice to have a little container so I can use this container to put all of my lashes in. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. These lashes look pretty cool. They're kind of like fanned out and kind of spiky, so that's really awesome. Those are some of my favorite lashes to wear. And these, it says the Lashaholic Lashes Instaglam False Eyelash. These are 100% vegan falsies made of premium silk fibers. Gives your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. So the MSRP on these is $14.99, and we will try these on. Next I am seeing, looks like a eyeliner. It's by the brand JonteBlu, and I've gotten a few things from JonteBlu, and I feel like these dry out super fast. Like we've gotten a few lip liners from JonteBlu, and I seriously feel like they dry out fast. So this is the JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner, so I guess it's glittery. Sparkle up your glam with the glittering eyeliner. This specially formulated black eyeliner pencil glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting subtle shimmer you'll completely adore. The MSRP is $5, and we will give this a try. Next up I am seeing CoverFX drops. So CoverFX is a very big name brand. CoverFX glitter drops. Oh, so these are glitter drops, and I guess I got it in the color Nova. I haven't even opened this or looked at it. These ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. It says you can use this glitter alone or under or over makeup, mix into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on your face and body. And the MSRP for this baby is $44, which is expensive. So we'll try this. I'm not even gonna like try it yet. We're gonna go for it. And then the last thing I'm seeing in here is this palette, and I like how it comes in like a little bubble wrap thing, so it's not gonna break. Oh, and it even has a sleeve. Let's take a minute to look at this packaging. This packaging is legit. I'm a sucker for black and gold. It's called Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. So this is it features 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes. This new Grandiose palette has all you need to create an unlimited eye look. These shadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. And the MSRP for this is $24.99. Well, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it has a little sleeve. Oh, even the inside of packaging is cute. That's what it looks like on the inside. And these are like my favorite kind of colors to wear. You guys know I like myself a warm look. I'm not into cool tones, but we've got some shimmery reds and bronzes and oranges, and I like it. So we're gonna do an eye look with this. So if you guys want to see that, let's jump into the try on. So the first thing we're gonna do is let's go ahead and try out this eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to do really like an eye tutorial. I'm just going to try out these brushes and try out this eyeshadow palette. We're going to do a quick little eye look. I say quick, but you guys know. We're going to go into the color Patchouli, and we're just going to put that. I already primed my eyelids with just some concealer, so we're just going to put that all over our lid to set down that concealer. It does have a lot of kick up though, like when you put your brush in there. Ow, I just poked myself in the eye. I'm already having like really watery eyes today. I don't know what my problem is. It's just like a matte kind of like cream color. Nothing too crazy. Let's go into the color Cinnamon right here. This was the color Patchouli. This is Cinnamon. Let's go ahead and go to Cinnamon and put that cinnamon. Put that cinnamon color into our crease. Oh, that's pigmented. Now let's see. Oh god, help. Let's see if we can blend that out. I'm just taking a different brush that's clean. I'm gonna try to see if we can fluff that out, because holy crap, that's intense. I barely even put my brush in there, so be careful about that. What do you guys think of my hair today? I was trying to go for something a little different. This is kind of like how I used to wear my hair when I was in high school. And like these little half up messy bun things. I think it's kind of cute. To not just leave my hair down. I always just leave it down because it's like so hard to do stuff with curly hair, I feel like. But it gets boring just leaving your hair down all the time. Now let's go into the color Pape, which is this red color right here. And we're going to put that in our crease too. And I barely touched it in the palette because I'm scared. It's like a cranberry, like pinkish red color. We're just gonna put that in our crease. I think Kim Kardashian was talking about this palette or something. I think I heard about that. She was like raving about how it's so great. It's not a bad palette, but it is definitely like there's a lot of kick up. So if kick up annoys you, barely touching your brush in there gives you a lot of kick up. So that's what we have so far. And then let's just go ahead and go into the color. We're gonna do like a halo eye. Let's take the color Myrtle and put that on the inside corner and outside corner of our eye. We're not gonna do like a cut crease or anything. We're just going to do a regular, quick, easy look. Make it look like you took a million years. There's a lot of fallout though. I'm just using my finger because it is a shimmery color and I'm having fallout even with my finger. So keep that in mind. There's not a lot of punch with these shadows though. I don't think they're really anything special. And then we're going to take the color Primrose. So I'm taking the color Myrtle here and then Primrose in the middle. And I'm just going to put that right in the center of my eye. If you like colors that are just kind of like not super shimmery but you want to look like a little shimmer, you know, if you like more subtle looks, then you might like this palette. But if you're like really into like the metallics and stuff, this is probably not your jam. The Myrtle color is not too bad, but that Primrose color is just kind of like meh. It's not very shimmery like or metallic at all. There's just a lot of fallout with those shimmery colors. There wasn't a lot of fallout with the matte shades, but there's just a lot of fallout with those shimmery colors. Now I'm just gonna go back into that color Patchouli and kind of like blend up here. Okay, so that is what we have on our lid. Pretty. My eyes are watering, so sorry about it. I just have like a really watery eye today. I don't know what's up with that. The show must go on and I must film today, so. Dab, 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 web life. Okay, so let's go ahead and highlight our brow bone. We're going to use the color Jasmine right here. And let's go ahead and highlight our brow bone in our inner corner. Well, that's pretty. Really subtle, but pretty. Sometimes you don't want a super like boom in your face highlight, so cute. Now let's go ahead and use the lash brush that we haven't, the last brush that we haven't used. And we're going to just go under our eyes. We're going to use the color Myrtle and just sweep that under our eyes. So this is our eye look, our finished eye look. Like I said, this is cute, but it definitely is not my favorite. This would be like a good palette to travel with because you wouldn't have to be afraid like of it breaking or whatever, but it does give you like a really nice put together look, and it took, you know, under 5 minutes to do this whole eye look. So overall, not a bad palette. Would I be reaching for this a lot? No, but I would probably travel with it, so that's good. Moving on to the eyeliner. I'm kind of scared about this eyeliner. I don't know how I feel about glittery eyeliners. This is about, oh, it's one of the sharpening ones too. So it is a sharpening wooden little eyeliner. And it looks like I barely touched it because I don't want to like mess up the point. So let's go ahead and put on a little liner. We're just going to do a simple line. We're not going to do like a wing or anything. It actually glides on pretty smoothly. Not very crumbly, but it does not go over a wet part of your eye. So like on this corner of my eye right here, this is my watery eye that always waters because I have bitchy eyes. But it doesn't want to go over that. But most things won't. Okay, JonteBlu, I'm not mad about this liner. This is not bad. It's not super glittery. It's not like really flaky. So overall, pretty good liner. So let me go ahead and jump off camera, put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on these lashes. Alright. It was hard to get lashes off of these little card things. Okay, so these do have like a pretty thick band. Most of the lashes that I wear, which is like the Kiss ones or like the Salon Perfect ones from Walmart, those ones don't have like thick bands like this. I always find it kind of hard for me, and like I can feel these ones when I have these ones on my eyes. I don't really prefer ones with thick bands, but we'll give them a shot. I really think these lashes are pretty though. Sorry if you can see my mirror, but I gotta get close. These babies are like very long band, which is good for my eye because you guys know I have like a really wide eye band. But if you have like shorter eyes, you're gonna have to cut these. Actually, these went on really nicely. I like them. Let's go ahead and put the other one on really quick. So these are the lashes. I actually really like them. This one I can feel. This is my watery eye. I can feel it a little bit, but I really like how they look. They're very like pokey and like spread out. They're really nice. So I like these. They're not heavy. It doesn't feel like I'm really wearing anything, and the band isn't too bad. So overall, thumbs up to these lashes. I like them. And then the last thing that we have in the box is these CoverFX drops, and let's go ahead and highlight our face. It says to shake well before you use. I'm kind of nervous about this because it's like, it says glitter. I'm not really one for glitter for a highlight, so let's try this out. This might be something I just use on like my shoulders or like right here on my chest. So I just put some on my hand. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it's definitely glittery. You can feel the glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it. So let's try to put this on our face. I'm kind of nervous. We might be messing everything up right now. I don't know if you're like supposed to blot it or what. Yeah, you can definitely see glitter. This will definitely not be a highlighter that I wear because I do have like big pores and stuff. So if you have big pores, glitter goes right into them and it just looks crazy. And it feels kind of like an oily consistency. So keep that in mind. Like a wet consistency. But it does dry down, not wet. So that is the highlight. I just put a little bit on my cheeks because I just don't want a bunch of glitter. But I think like on your chest, like let's put some right here on my chest and see if it gives us a nice glow. And it has like a little dropper for like the product. But this is gonna last a really long time. But I do like to bronze and like glow up my décolleté and my chest and stuff. So it gives you a nice shimmery glow on your neck. And like you could put it on your shoulders and stuff, and I just think that would be cute. So this is the finished look from the Boxycharm. My overall thoughts. So this box was kind of like a meh box for me. Nothing was super good, but nothing was really bad. I didn't hate anything. I kind of like everything. And so I'd say this is a like 7 box instead of like 7 out of 10. I give it like a 7 out of 10. So overall, I really love Boxycharm. You guys should check out Boxycharm if you haven't yet. It is really cool. You get to try out new products and, you know, find things that you wouldn't normally try out. It is $21 a month. I think it's a pretty good deal. The overall total for everything in this box was $109.98, and you paid $21 for this box, which I think is a really good deal. I do like these lashes. I'd say that's probably my favorite thing in the box is the lashes. And the palette is cute. I think it'd be good, like a good travel palette. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My name's Amanda Yasmin89 on Instagram. I like to post pretty much every day. I post fashion and I post makeup related content. Also, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you guys will be notified when I post videos. I post videos at least twice a week. I post on Mondays and Wednesdays. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, be your own kind of beautiful. Toodles for now. Technical. Boxycharm.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.